Hi everyone, my name is Panu, an admin of SAWV.
And my name is Hillary, the moderator of SAWV, supporting all abilities, welcoming all voices. A few weeks back, we asked our members if they knew what person-centered thinking was. 50% of the members said they knew, while the other 50% did not.
In this video, we will be talking about what person-centered thinking is and how to understand the idea through a Hmong American lens.
The idea of person-centered thinking began in the 1960s when people with disabilities in the United States started a movement to speak up for what they want instead of what others wanted for them.
The core concepts to know and to remember is person-centered thinking is a balance between, first and foremost, what is important to the person, and second, what is important for the person.
Mỗi hai ô lưu mong person-centered thinking hiểu được chú ý địa cho từ tin nhà mỗi nhà cái chơi thế học here. Bây giờ đã có chú sĩ hở lo nông thế bảo cho ý từ tin or they be ba thở nữa.
Things that are important to us are things that make us feel satisfied, content, comforted, and happy. Some examples of what those things may be are the people we want to love, the things we like to do, the places we like to go, and the things that we like to have. Important for are things that we need to keep us safe and healthy, as well as a valued member in our communities. Some examples of what that may look like is our physical health, such as wellness and prevention, as well as emotional health, such as the people who support us.
Understanding person-centered thinking through a Hmong American lens may seem conflicting because it appears to be very individualistic and self-centered.
I want you to take a moment right now to think about how we would say the core concepts of person-centered thinking, important to and important for in Hmong. In Hmong, we would say Jing King Do, which could translate to either important to or important for.
Perhaps it sounds the same because the Hmong culture is generally collectivistic and family-oriented. We place the needs of others before our own, and we consider the advice of elders when making life decisions. Thinking about only ourselves can be disrespectful to our families and to our reputation. All these reasons can make it hard to do person-centered thinking.
In order to be truly person-centered, you have to consider everything about an individual, and that includes their culture.
There are misunderstandings of what person-centered thinking is. It does not mean that you and I get everything we want. It does not mean that you and I are selfish and that we do not care about our family and friends. And it is not about making anyone feel wrong for what they want in their lives. We can all use person-centered thinking to think about what's important in our own lives. Service providers can also use person-centered thinking to plan services for an individual with a disability based on what they think is important in their own lives. Person-centered thinking honors and respects every individual as a whole.
Thanks for tuning in into another video for SAWV. We hope you learned the basics of person-centered thinking. There is still so much more to learn, such as how to put person-centered thinking skills into action, and about person-centered planning for service providers and professionals. For more information on person-centered thinking and planning, make sure to check out the video description. Tell us your thoughts on this idea in the comments below. Please like and share this video, and until next time.